Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. Okay guys, so let's get right into this video. Today I am going to be reviewing this straightener brush that I got for Christmas from my mom. So shout out to DJ Bubbles, aka my mama. She got this for me for Christmas, and this is the Dual Extreme Double Brush and Double Effect. That's what it says there on the box, of course. And this is the Pro Ceramic Straightening Brush. So this brush is really amazing. The bristles heat up, and that is what helps your hair to become straight, and it is almost like a brush, if you will. So I'm very excited to be trying this out on my hair. This is what the packaging looks like. I will link below how much it was, and I'll even put it on the screen once I do find this product online. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here we are. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Like I said, the bristles heat up. So there you see the gold ceramic plates there, or the bristles, I would say, and that's the part that will heat up as you're straightening your hair or brushing through your hair. Now I already tried this once, so that's why it kind of looks a little bit oily there. And as you can see, it has the power button, the up and down for the temperature of the heat for the brush, and it's a really nice brush. I love the color of the brush. The gold and black, it's just really cute, super nice, super beautiful. So I'm very excited to show y'all how it works. So that is this brush here that I got. It's a Dual Extreme brush, like I said, and yeah, I'm really looking forward with trying this in my hair. So let me go ahead and plug this in so you guys can see what it looks like when I plug it in. I did have my ring light on, so you probably won't be able to see the light, but I did go ahead and turn off the ring light so you guys can see that the screen there that you see, that little black piece there, it does light up when you turn it on. And in this clip I forgot to plug it in. So here we go, I finally plugged it in. That is what it looks like. The words light up blue, and it goes all the way up to, I believe, 250 degrees. I'm not sure. Let me turn off the ring light first so you guys can see better. But there you go, that's what it looks like as it lights up. It's really nice. So I believe it goes up to 230, not 250, my bad, but it goes up to 230 degrees Celsius. It's really awesome. So the plates light up, so I'm gonna let that heat up and we're gonna get ready to do my hair. Alright guys, so now it's time to prepare my hair. But first, you're going to need some heat protectant. I am going to be using this ORS Olive Oil Silken and Shine Heat Protectant Serum, which is infused with coconut oil. Now this serum is an amazing heat protectant. I've used it in the past, and I forgot to mention that it also smells really delicious, almost like candy, if you will. So good, so good. So I did decide to do the heatless method when it came on to stretching my hair, just because I didn't want to use too much heat in my hair. So I decided to stretch my hair. What I did was I washed my hair, conditioned my hair, and then I detangled. Then I left my hair in a bun for a few days, and then afterwards I just detangled and I twisted my hair in sections so that my hair would stretch out, and that worked out pretty well. So I'm just happy I didn't have to use a blow dryer for this hairstyle. So now that I have clarified that and I've gotten my first section ready to begin the process, I'm going to head and take down that twist, and now it is time to detangle. Now guys, you are going to want to have your hair detangled before you use this brush, just because you do not want the brush to snag and pull your hair, because if you have curly hair, natural hair like myself, then you already know that the brush is going to win in the end, because your hair is just going to break and break if you just put a brush directly in there. So I suggest detangling your hair beforehand, or blow drying, whatever you want to do to your hair to get it detangled and ready for the straightening process. It's up to you, but I did do this twisting method, which worked fine for me. So now that I've clarified that you need to detangle, you're going to need some heat protectant. Of course, if you are like myself and you still want to have curls after you wash your hair, then boo-boo, you're going to need some heat protectant. So I took about a quarter size amount of this olive oil heat protectant serum, and I applied that to my hair, and I made sure to get my ends as well, just to make sure, because you never know these days. A lot of tools be damaging your hair and you never know. So once I'm done doing that, I did go back in with my brush and I detangled once more, just to be sure that the product was evenly distributed and just to make sure that my hair was detangled completely. Then once I'm done detangling my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and pick my first section that I am going to straighten, or brush straighten, with the Dual Extreme brush. So I'm going to take my Dual Extreme brush. Like I said, I did already turn it on and got it prepared to heat up, and now it should be ready to use. So now I'm going to start by brushing through my hair. And like I said, the straightener is pretty self-explanatory. Just as a brush, you would just brush it through your hair, and the ceramic plates heat up and it straightens your hair. I mean, as you can see by my whole reaction, I was actually really impressed that even the first pass, my hair got super sleek and nice and straight. And if you're like me and you use majority of your life, you use a straightener, then yeah, this really changed my mind so much. I think I'm really going to be using this more than my straightener, just because it really makes your hair a lot more straight than the straightener. I don't know. For me personally, I thought it made my hair really straight compared to my straightener. So I did the same process through my hair. I didn't want to waste too much time doing this part of the video, just because I've already shown you guys straightening my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up for you guys in 2 ways.
Because I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year.
Alright guys, so that was one side with this Dual Extreme straightening brush. I'm just really shocked because not even my straightener gets my hair this straight. I don't know, maybe it's because of this as well, this olive oil heat protection serum. I've used this in the past, and this is really, really good for coarse, thick, curly hair. If you're straightening your hair and you need a really good moisturizing heat protectant, this is great, because some of those heat protectants that I've used in the past were just definitely not meant for my hair type, and my hair wouldn't get as sleek and straight as it is right now. But I'm actually really impressed with the results, like very impressed. Straightener is very easy to use and power on, and immediately when I saw this in the box when I took it out, I was very happy with it. So I'm very impressed. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side of my hair, and I'll come back to you guys with the finished results of me straightening my hair with this brush, and then I will give you guys a full review on what I thought about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair, and I'll be right back.
Okay, let's say there is someone I can call. What would I say? Dad, that is the beauty of a booty call.
Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like now after using the straightener brush. I'm just gonna fix my hair. I'm gonna put some of this serum in. So I'm super happy. Tomorrow is Christmas. That means that today is actually Christmas Eve. So when I upload this, it's probably going to be past Christmas. So I hope that everyone had a wonderful holiday. It's almost a new year. Let's get ready to change things and let's just hope that 2021 is a lot better than 2020 was. And yeah, so I'm getting off topic. So the brush worked amazing. I mean, you guys can see my hair. It got really straight, like it got sleeky straight. So it's really hard to reach your roots with this brush, and it's okay if you have like a straightener. You can automatically just go back in and touch up your roots with your straightener. But if you were solely just to buy this to style your hair and you have curly hair like myself or natural hair like myself, then you're definitely going to want to do that, because I had a really hard time reaching my roots with this, but I made it work. I kind of like, you know, mimicked as a straightener and just kind of went over the areas, and that sort of helped. But I'm really impressed. It's such a very good product. I mean, my hair got super sleek, and wow. Like, and it took a lot less than when using a straightener. And as you saw from the beginning, I didn't use my blow dryer to style my hair just because I'm not trying to use too much heat, because I did use heat a few weeks ago. If you guys saw my straightening video, then you guys already know that. So I do not want to put too much heat. So yeah, it came out really good. It came out well. I love it. It's super easy to use. I definitely will use it again, but not anytime soon. But this is a really great straightener here, guys. I think you should try it out, check it out if you can. Now, I'm not sure of the price, because I did, like I mentioned in the beginning, this is a Christmas gift from my mom, so I'm going to have to ask her for the link where she purchased this, so I can link that down below for anyone who might be interested in purchasing this. This is a really, really good product here. I love it. I mean, it's really simple to use. I didn't have to do any extraness. I didn't have to use a comb to chase down. None of that. It was super simple to use, just like a regular brush. You just brush it through. One thing that I suggest, if you are a natural like me, make sure to detangle your hair and to stretch out your hair before you use it, because you will not be able to comb through your curls with that brush. So you definitely want to make sure your hair is stretched. You can automatically do what I did. I did the heatless stretching method so that my hair wouldn't get too much heat on it, because I'm not trying to, you know, get heat damage. I do still love my curly hair. So yeah. So with that being said, guys, that was my review on this Dual Extreme straightening brush. This brush is amazing. So even if you have straight hair, you should definitely check it out, and I'll definitely put here on the screen the price of this brush. So with that being said, this is the end of this review on this brush. It was a really great brush. I just love how the bristles are gold. and it gives it another look. And I also like the fact that it tells you the temperature of the heat that you're using on your hair, and definitely a great Christmas gift. But with that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. And do not forget to hit the gold notification bell so that you can be updated every time that I post to my channel. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram, because Instagram definitely saw this first, and I know you want to see sneak peeks of what's coming next. So find me on Instagram and follow me there. Anyways, y'all, I hope that you enjoyed watching. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope that you have a wonderful New Year to everybody. So until the next time, peace out, and thank you so much for coming to another Kayla's Curls. Bye.